If you have an Xbox DLC code you want to use, keep watching and I'll show you how to redeem it to add new content and add-ons to your games. This tutorial applies to codes found on physical cards and other delivery methods like email. On the Xbox, select and open the Store tab. Here, go to the left column and scroll down and select Redeem. This is where I'll enter my code. An important thing to know is that official Xbox DLC codes are 25 digits. That's definitely a requirement. If you have more or less characters, it's not a valid Xbox code. Codes that are not 25 digits will have to be redeemed on the website that issued them before you will be sent an official code. When done, select the Enter button on the bottom right. At this time, it's a good idea to confirm the Xbox profile that will receive the new DLC. This is important because the new content will be activated on this account, and there's no way to transfer this DLC to another Xbox profile if you redeem to the wrong one. So if this email is incorrect, cancel and then log into the correct user profile before redeeming the code. I know I have mine right, so I'll select Next. And here I'll select Confirm to redeem my DLC code. And that's basically how you do it. On the last screen, just close out of this menu. To check the status of my DLC, I'll go to My Games and Apps. Then highlight the game that's receiving the DLC. In my case, it's Forza Horizon 4. On the controller, press the More Options button. Then select Manage Game and Add-ons. Here I'll select Horizon 4, and I can see all the DLCs and additional content I've added to this game. Perfect. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.